I think this dresser is great. I love it so much. It was given to me by my aunt and uncle when I moved in, and it used to belong to my younger cousin. I love all these details, like this curvy bit here, as well as this braided pattern. I love all the signs of life and history, the wear and tear, these chips and peels and marks, and I love that it needs a piece of cardboard to not wobble. It gives me a place to keep my TV and my things, and of course it holds my clothes very well. For the past 6 months, I've had paint supplies hiding on my bottom shelf, waiting to get used. And I've left this color sample at the corner of my dresser every day as a reminder to paint it. Toadstool teal. It's beautiful and exactly what I want. I've procrastinated enough. It's time to finally do it. First thing to do is give this thing a proper wipe down. It's so satisfying to see it go from dirty, dusty to shiny, sparkly clean. As I was cleaning, I noticed a sign of my cousin's own personal customizations. Looks like we're both coloring this thing. Also, don't forget to take off all of the handles before starting. Penny wanted to see what was going on, but then she got overwhelmed and left. I was really surprised how dirty this thing actually was, but there it is. Shiny and new. Up next, time to sand it down. I've never actually used one of these things before. This is the primer I'll be using. I've always wanted to open a can of paint like this. White. Time to paint this thing white. No going back now. Don't be afraid. Just paint it. Using the roller, I try my best to fill in as much as I can. Everything that looks wooden, I just cover it with white. Then I went in with a paintbrush to fill in those hard to reach, finer, small details. Done. That took longer than I thought and was more tiring than I thought, but there it is, completely white. This is the paint I will be using. Holy moly. I forgot to stir it, so it kind of looks like a cool galaxy. Magic goo. Time to really go for it. Let's see how the color looks. Whoa. Wow, look at that. Just go for it. I was so excited to just get this thing covered, every bit, every shelf, every part. And using this roller is so satisfying and so fun. Having covered it once, this part went way faster, way smoother, and it was way easier to spot where I needed to cover. Anywhere you see white, just cover it with blue. And now for the fine details. I let this thing dry for a couple hours while I was at work, and then I came back and hit the entire thing again with a second layer of paint. I'd like to briefly interrupt to pay my respects for my pan. I've had it for years, but I learned how to cook hot dogs and all of my childhood basics on this very pan, but it smokes now when I use it, and it's cracking, and it smells really toxic, so I'll never forget you. Goodbye. The final step is to now just install the new hardware. I got these really nice handles. They're very easy. All you do is just... All you do is screw these guys in, slide that on, then go ahead and then just tighten them on the back. And then these handles, they just screw in. Super, super easy. I can't believe I painted this whole thing with my own hands, and here it is, finally done.
Wow.
It's amazing. It looks so good. It's shiny, it's clean, it's beautiful. I cannot believe it. Oh my God. The details, everything, the braided pattern, it filled in perfectly. Even Penny loves it, right? Yeah. I also stuck in some black lining paper in the drawers to make it look extra classy. It's elegant, it fits right at home and brings such a pop of color into my room, and finally, the card can be retired.